this is the Bush dishwasher. This is the upper tray. I've taken that out, and this is the upper spray arm. Can you see a teeth march there? I've just got to turn that. I'm turning it clockwise, and that's unlocked it, and I can now lift it off. Okay. You see the notches there? They're actually different sizes. So there's 2 wide ones and 2 thin ones. So when you go back on, you've got to get them exactly right. I'm now go anti-clockwise. That's back on. Okay. So that's the Bush rotor arm, and I've got another video where I show you how to. You see these slots here? They're the jets that help turn around the rotor, and they get, when you look at your rotor arm, if you're having problems with dirty dishes or dishes not washing properly, you'll find there's bits of gunge in there and odd bits of stuff. I don't know why, because really the water running through there should be clean water, but I found all sorts of odd bits. I can't identify them in there. Okay, so let's see if we can take that off. So turn it clockwise off. You've got to get it right down, and then anti-clockwise. That's locked again. Okay. Now I didn't even know you had to clean these things, but now I know how easy to take it off. The first time this was rather stuck actually. I had to use a mole grip to help me turn it. But look, see, that's it. I'm just turning that. Okay.